can get a job while you're sipping your cup of coffee and you let these 5 AI tools do their magic. I'm Megha Bansali, a commerce career coach. In this video, I'm going to be giving you 5 free AI tools which will help you design your career, help you design your CV, help you prepare for your interview, and help you to apply for the right kind of jobs. Yes, there are 5 powerful free AI tools which you can use to prepare for your career. So, to begin with, first one is Career Dreams. It has been launched by Google. Currently, it's in the testing phase, only available in the US. However, very soon available to all the market. This AI tool will help you decide your career. Now, what do I mean by that? Now, let's say I'm a commerce student. I have multiple options available with me: accounting, core finance. Again, under core finance, probably MIS reporting, cost management, decision making, budgeting. I'm pretty confused as to which field is my area of interest. So you can use this tool to figure out your area of interest based on your skill set, based on your work experience, based on your education qualification. It will give you the exact profile which is mapping to your skill set, for which you can apply for and which will help you to grow in your career. So you can use Career Dreams by Google to figure that out. Now what's the second step? That you have figured out your career, your path. Second step is to build your resume. Use Rezi.ai, which is a platform that will help you make your resume tailored for each specific job, and it will also make it ATS friendly. ATS is a software which employers are using to screen CVs and reject CVs. So it will make your CV, which is ATS friendly. It will use the relevant keywords based on the job description and tailor your resume based on each job. So that is the second tool that you can use. Moving on to the third tool that I have for you. The third tool is VMock. VMock is a tool that is used to optimize your resume. It will give you feedback on if your resume is accurate for the particular job, what changes you can make, what suggestions can be included. So VMock can be used to optimize your resume for each specific job. Then we have the next AI tool, which is my personal favorite, which is Loop CV. Currently, we see so many, job opportunities are available, but manually I am not able to apply to them. So what Loop CV does is, let's say I'm looking for a financial analyst profile. So I will go to Loop CV and say I am wanting to apply into financial analyst. It will screen all the job portals, let's say Naukri, LinkedIn, Indeed, and go to that specific company's website and apply for you on your behalf. So here you can apply into hundreds of companies in less than 5-6 minutes, and you can increase your job opportunities. So definitely this is a very good AI tool, and the best part is it goes to the specific company's portal and applies, and not through these third party platform. So yes, Loop CV is something that is very, very useful. Now let's say you have used all these tools. We have figured out our career, then we have figured out how our resume should be. We've also applied, and now we've got a job call. But how do I prepare for that interview? So I have one more tool for you, which is everyone's favorite, ChatGPT. So what you can do is you can just go to ChatGPT and say that this is the profile that I'm applying for. You need to write your prompt really well. So I'm just giving you an idea on how you can write the prompt. So you can say, please act as my interviewer. Let's say if you're having a technical round. So say act as an interviewer who's going to be taking a technical round for so and so profile, and mention your entire job description, probably upload your CV, and then say, please ask me good 50 questions that the employer can ask. So ChatGPT will generate 50 questions that can be possibly asked by your employer, and you can go through those questions, and let's say you're not confident on some questions, you can ask ChatGPT for a suggestion on the answers, and then you can tailor those answers based on your experience, based on your skill set, and that will help you to prepare for your interview also. So guys, these are these 5 amazing tools which you can use from planning your career till getting your jobs. You can drop a comment below if you've used any of these AI tools and what is your feedback on that. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with more of your lost friends. And I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.